Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Today we will start the first lesson in chapter 2, multiplication comparison. And how can you describe the multiplication by using a model and by using an equation? And let's see here. 2 multiplied 4 equals 8. You know that from the multiplication tables or timetables. And you know, when we describe this multiplication, we said that when I want to multiply 2 by 4, that's mean I have to repeat 2 4 times, or I will repeat the 4 2 times, and both will give me the same answer. So if I add 2 4 times, the answer will be 8, and if I add the 4 2 times, the answer will be 8. Let's see how I will describe the multiplication by using a model and by using the equation. So in this problem on page I think 63, Carly has 9 pennies. Jack has 4 times as many pennies as Carly. So which one of those friends has the more pennies, or has much more pennies? I think Jack. So why? Because Jack has 4 times as many pennies as Carly. This times as many means multiplication. Okay, so if Carly has 9 pennies, okay, Jack will have 4 times as many pennies as Carly. That's mean 4 times. That's mean 4 multiply 9. That's mean I have to repeat here 9 4 times. So if you add 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, the answer will be 36. So Jack has 36 pennies. How I will know that? From this model. If Carly has only 9, Jack will has 4 times from this number. That's mean I have to repeat this number 4 times. Okay? So the final answer is 36. This is the model. How I will describe the multiplication here by using model. So I will use this bars. Okay? I will use the bar. Now, if I want to use the equation to find the answer, so I will suggest right here that the number of pennies that or does Jack have equals n. So the number of pennies does Jack have equals n. Okay, so when I want to write the equation, I have to suggest the unknown number by using a letter like N, A, any letter you want. But the most common letter that we will use it is N. So I will suggest right here that the number of pennies does Jack have will be N. So this N, I need to find it. This is unknown number. Okay? So to find this N, I will multiply or repeat the 9 4 times. Repeat means I have to multiply. So here I have to multiply 4 times with 9. And the answer will be 36. So this is the number of pennies. Now let's see another example right here, and how I will use the model and the multiplication equation to find the unknown number. Let's find it right here. In this example, on page 64, Michael has 3 times as many rabbits as Sarah. So which one has the much more number of rabbits? I think Michael, because Michael has 3 times, that's mean multiply 3 times as many rabbits as Sarah. Now Michael has 6 rabbits. So here I know the number of rabbits that or does Michael have. How many rabbits does Sarah have? Now I want to see the smaller number. So this is the opposite idea from the previous page. Okay, so to use the model, I told you have to use those bars. Which one of those friends have the much more number of rabbits? I think Michael, as we said right here in this sentence. So in this sentence, I know that Michael has 3 times as many rabbits as Sarah. This sentence, I name it comparison sentence. Okay, so this sentence, I name it, I will make it closer for you. I name it comparison sentence. Okay, this one. So I want to use this comparison sentence to find the number of rabbits does Sarah have by using a model, then by using an equation or a multiplication equation. So to find the number, I told you that I will suggest the unknown number. So the unknown number right here is the number of rabbits with Sarah. So I will suggest that the number of rabbits with Sarah equals n rabbits. Okay, so I will suggest this by the model equals n rabbit. So, but I know the number of rabbits with Michael is 3 times as many as rabbits with Sarah. So if the number of rabbits with Sarah n, that means I have to repeat this n 3 times to find the number of rabbits does Michael have. So I have to repeat it 3 times like this. Okay, so this is the model that will describe the comparison sentence right here. So, but I know right here that the number of rabbits with Michael equals 6. I know it. This is known number. So this is the model that I will use, the equation that I will use it right here to find the number of rabbits. So which number right here in the model, if I repeated 3 times the same number, if I repeat it 3 times, the answer will be 6. I think it's 2. That's right. If you repeat 2 3 times, the answer will be 6. Yes. So Sarah has 2 rabbits. Now let's use the equation right here to find the answer. So the equation told me that I told you that this comparison sentence, in this comparison, times as many means multiplication. Okay, so 3 multiply what? The number of rabbits does Sarah have? But here the number of rabbits does Sarah have equals n. That's mean 3 multiply n. Okay, 3 multiply n equals what? Equals the number the number of rabbits does Michael have, which is here 6. That means this is the equation. 6 equals 3 multiply n. Now which number, if I multiply it by 3, the answer will be 6. I think the answer is also 2. So this is the both way to describe the comparison sentence with an equation and with a model. I'm sorry. Okay? Now, in this A and B exercises, I will write or convert the multiplication here from comparison sentence to equation and the opposite of. So let's find here, write an equation. So here I have the comparison sentence and I want to convert it to an equation and to find the multiplication. 21 is 7 times as many as 3. This is means equal, and this times as many means multiply. So that means 21 equals, this is means equals 7 times mean multiply as many as 3. So this is the equation. Let's find here the comparison sentence. 8 multiply 5 equals 40, sorry. I told you that times as many as means multiply. That's mean 8. 8 times as many as 4 is means equals here 40. Okay? Now in this exercise share and show, let's find the number of students. So by using the model and the multiplication equation. So there are 8 students in the art club. Okay, 8 students in the art club. There are 3 times as many students in chorus. So this means multiplication. As we said, how many students are in the chorus? So let's see right here by using the model. So if in the art club I have 8 students, and in the chorus I have 3 times. In model I told you 3 times means I have to multiply, or I have to repeat the number of students 3 times. I have to repeat the 8 3 times. So if the number of chorus equals n, I suggest it as a n, and the n is 3 times the art club, or the number of students in the art club, that means I have to repeat it 3 times. If you add 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals what? 24. So the number of students equals 24. Let's find it as or by using the equation. Now if I suggest right here the number of students in the chorus equals n, that means this n will be 3 times as many as the students right here in the art club. Okay? So that's mean 3 times mean 3 multiplied 8 equals what? 3 multiplied 8 equals 24. So this is the number of students. Now let's continue on page 65, and in this page I have this exercise 2 and 3. Draw a model and write an equation. So I will here read the comparison sentence, and then I will write the equation and draw a model that will describe this sentence. Okay, the easiest way is to write the equation first. Okay, so I want you to write the equation first. Let's start with exercise number 2. 6 times as many as 2 is 12. I told you times as means multiply and is means equal. So let's write the equation first. 6 times, that means 6 multiply, times as many as 2 means 6 multiplied 2, is means equals 12. So this is the equation. If I want to describe this equation by using a model, I will use what? 6 multiply 2. That means I will repeat the 2 6 times. Okay, so you can repeat the 2 right here 6 times. So I have only, if I have, I will make it closer for you. If I have only 1 2 like this, so if I take it and repeat this 2, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this will be what? If I repeat it all here, will be what? 12. Okay, so this is the model that will describe the 6 multiply 2. Or I can what? I can repeat the 6 or the 6, yes, 2 times. So you can use it. Okay, let's see number 3. 20 is, so here I have the comparison problem. Oh, sorry, comparison sentence, and I want to write first the equation. First you will write the equation. Equation 20 is means equals 4 times as many as 5. This one means multiply. That's mean 20 is equals means 4 times as many as means 4 multiply 5. This is the equation. Okay? If I want to draw a model right here, the same thing right here. So if I have only 1 5, to find this equation or to describe this equation, I have to repeat this 5 what 4 times. So let's repeat it right here like this. Okay, so if you repeat this 5 4 times, the answer will be what? 20. Okay, or I can repeat that 4 5 times. Okay, you can use it. Now write a comparison sentence. Okay, so here I have the equation and I want to write the comparison sentence. I told you the equals here, equals means is, or is means equals. Okay, multiply means times as much as many as, or as many as, or time as many as means multiply. So 18 equals 9 multiply 2. That means 18 is 9 times as many as 2. Okay, so here you will convert each symbol by using the word. So that's C number 5. 8 multiply 4 equals 32. This multiplication means times as many as, so that's mean 8 times as many as 4 is, means that equals is 32. So this is our lesson today. I hope that you understand it very well, and thank you.